KeyDigital, the experts in digital audio visual and control systems.
Good morning. Welcome to InfoComm Day 1. My name is Craig Douglas. My company, Converging Systems and Dynamic Mounting, are guests in the KeyDigital booth today, showing a new piece of technology for automation control of a mounting system. The mounting system from Dynamic Mounting can support monitors up to 125 pounds and can do full vertical raise and lower. The automation control technology behind it is the Converging Systems motor control, which has been adopted for use with the KeyDigital platform, which allows full interactive bidirectional control. All of these products work in conjunction with the automation products made available from KeyDigital to integrate dynamic mounting products along with audio and video and other kind of automation control. For more information, you can contact Dynamic Mounting or the Converging Systems website for more information on mounting products and motor control. Thank you.